Wowie, look, it's a box. I'm making art content because I'm an artist. Paper is important to be able to have something to put stuff on.
Ooh, what kind of paper is that, Dave?
L'Aquarelle Canson Heritage. Hot pressed. We have a beautiful Ziploc bag. Wow.
I'm glad you noticed because I love this.
Wowie, we got the Jawbusters snack that's gonna pop my teeth in half.
Oh, we're not gonna get a candy review?
Yes, we are gonna give a candy review. Let's do it now.
Oh. Oh my god, don't.
It says I have to bust it. Alright, we got a little bundle doodle. I hope it's normal stuff.
What is normal?
Normal means something I might recognize. We got a Posky. It's a
Posca pen?
Is it a double ender? Or is this just... I have no idea.
There is a list, by the way, that you can read. They tell you.
I suppose I could look at that. A Micron. I've never seen these before.
Oh my god, for real, this is easy mode.
A blue pencil. And some kind of brush doodle dabble. I don't know, some pens. Of colors. Wow, look at it. Bam. We got a list. I suppose I'll look at it. Paper. Fine pens. Brush pen. Brush tip paint marker. Color pencil. Good enough for me.
Wow. Confidence.
Is reading it gonna give me any more understanding of what it is?
Well, you might learn about that Posca pen you didn't know what it was.
Well, that's a good point. Fine, we'll read about the staff favorite.
You're really
wow.
doing it the true YouTuber way. When I read this, I know what I'm doing.
Is there something about like twisting it to pop open a... Or is that something else?
Oh yeah, you can like twist it like you're gonna take the top off. Like, okay.
I mean, I don't take the top off these things. I don't know how much pushing it needs.
Your finger holding technique is intriguing to me.
Thank you.
Interesting.
Okay, well, it's fine. I'll do it like the picture.
Oh my god. Put the top on! You're gonna shake it with the top on.
Alright, you said put the top on.
Just like holding my breath back here.
Oh. Sure, good enough. How's that swatching, Kasey?
Oh god, you draw a wiener? Oh my.
Is this just like a brush pen? Or does it actually have something in it?
I think you're gonna want to read the...
Fine, I'll read the thing. Cool. It's a Micron. Beautiful transition. It's blue. Okay, I definitely missed a step in this. All right, everybody, let's make a beautiful family portrait of me and Kasey and Mr. Kitty. Using my Garbo art style that has not changed whatsoever because I don't draw enough.
Don't be so hard on yourself, Dave.
I'm being exactly as hard as I need to be.
Oh boy.
Yeah. What's this? This is my face. I don't remember how I normally connect this chunk of the hair to that chunk of the hair. And that, there. A little triangle. Great. The nice thing about normally drawing on cardstock is when I draw people not the right height so their feet don't land on the right spot, I can just move it up. But I can't do that. Oh, let's make some regrettable mistakes. And start inking. My line didn't connect to the other line. Guess I'm not gonna do hands. God, these lines just got more... God, not a single... 3 lines down, none of them even connected to any of the other lines. What the hell is going on? I don't know how to do faces, and I haven't a clue how to do faces or what to do for the faces. Think I'll take a poop. I drew 2 people that aren't doing anything, so I have no idea what to do for their faces. Nobody's happy.
Something I wish I could be.
Yeah, exactly.
Well, that's what art's all about, is drawing stuff that fantasy.
You gotta at least keep it within the realm of reality.
That's not true.
It's gotta be. Dragons are more possible than happiness, Kasey.
What?
Alright, what does the top half of an ant upside down look like?
What?
What?
That came out of nowhere.
For you. Great, line work's done, everybody. What a treat it's been. Let's get rid of my very heavy-handed pencil. That is absolutely everywhere. Can't wait to color this in with the 2 colors I have.
Well, there's some more.
They're fine boys. I've got 2 brushes and 5 fine boys.
All
Great.
of those colors and you're not going to use them? For real?
But
Dang.
I'll figure out something maybe. Earth tones? Who likes earth tones? Nobody. Nobody's ever liked an earth tone. One time I asked somebody if they liked earth tones and they punched me in the face.
Dave, what's an earth tone?
An earth tone is a color that's sort of, I don't know how to describe colors, but it's earthy for one.
Okay, well,
it's kind of dull.
Dull?
Heavy-handed lines call for heavy-handed erasing. That's my policy. Man, forget needed erasers.
Ah!
Worthless.
Dave.
Absolute trash. Even more trash than this drawing. You should have your art pass revoked.
Art pass.
Alright, Mr. Kitty's blue, it's official. Because blue is a color that I have. Beautiful feet. Well crafted. Lovingly constructed. Very real to life. Lovely cat toes. I guess we're just gonna have to be Simpsons. Because I've got a yellow. Oh, Jesus. This thing is squirting. I forgot to color my pee-pee.
Wait, is there actually pee?
No, my pee-pee.
Wait, are we naked?
Yeah.
You're lying.
No.
Am I gonna have to edit a censor?
Why?
I know you're lying. There's no way. You know not to draw a pee-pee on YouTube.
Honestly, I should. I
Wait,
guess.
are you serious? You drew a
Maybe?
pee-pee?
Yeah.
Dave! Oh my god! I have to put a censor over that. The whole. Oh, I can't believe you've done this. I can't believe you've done this!
Mm-hmm. Wow, I should not have started at the bottom first. You'd think I would have learned my lesson with Mr. Kitty, but no. Some beautiful half-assed shadows. Let's draw shadows that cut into people's feet. This was better before I drew the shadow. Great. Family portrait's done. This beautiful illustration is inspired by an anniversary drawing Kasey drew where we were naked. Oh god, you're really gonna have to censor now, because now it's like woogity 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 woogity. Censor the entire image.
Wait, we can put like a little sticker over
Oh
it or
yeah,
something.
yeah. That's
We
true.
might have a hot dog.
This beautiful image is inspired by
Wait, are there titties?
yeah, oh yeah, those titties.
Oh my god! I have so much censoring to do. You're such a turd.
I don't have enough jawbusters for the titties.
Yeah, no crap, Dave.
This art is inspired by an anniversary piece of art Kasey drew. We were naked, so we're naked, and now I've ruined Kasey's YouTube career, and her channel's gonna get taken down. And there's Mr. Kitty, and he's blue, cause why the heck not? And we're yellow, cause this is what I got.
All right, Dave, tell everyone what you do with your art.
I burnt it.
Why?
Well, because I didn't like it. Thought it was really bad. And then somebody decided they were going to put it on the fridge. And then I saw it every day after that, which is only like a couple days. But that was enough for me to want to burn it.
Wow.
And so I burned it.
As usual, thank you so much to Art Snacks for sending us this box, and thank you guys so much for watching this train wreck. But before I go, I want to give a huge thank you to my patrons for being the best. If you want early access to my videos, secret sketches, behind the scenes, and more, check out the link to Patreon in the description. Thank you guys all seriously so much for the support. Stay golden. Bye.